Okay, so I decided to do some Sailor Moon nails because I seen these little ones, but I made these stencils because I cannot hand paint. Now, a lot of you out here in these internet, YouTube, Instagram streets might be able to hand paint, but not I, said the cat. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our tip. I ended up using a black gel that I got from Sean Legend, and this Mehe's gel color that I got. I feel like it was on Amazon. I don't know. I will put everything that I use down below in the little description bubble thing. All right, that way y'all can have it. I did 2 coats of black gel, cure between each one. Make sure you shake all your gels and everything before you start adding it. And I do want to say, when you're doing any gel polish, make sure you're doing a nice, thin, easy application, even application. That's why you see me dragging the brush real good, because I'm literally trying to make sure it's nice and thin and I don't end up with a bunch of like wrinkly gel or whatever. So after that, then I use this one, and this right here, the set that I did it on that you see in the beginning of the video, this is a flash gel with a cat eye. Now, I did learn that the reason sometimes my cat eye aren't cat eye into the cat eye's possibility is because I'm putting it on too thin. Right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more, and you can technically see it like doing a little flash thing right now. It looks like it's a hole right there, but it's not. So just like watch when I do. That's because I had my flash on when I was doing it. But watch, see when I do the magnet, see how it moves around. I wanted to give it like a galaxy type feel. See that? It's pretty. So this goes like a set of 6. Anyways, yeah, I got them. After I do this, then I'm going to use my matte top coat. I do love to airbrush over a matte, especially if I'm using acrylic airbrush paint. And that's what I will be using for this video. So when you're airbrushing over a gel polish and you're using acrylic airbrush paint, then you're going to want to specifically use a matte over it so that you don't airbrush directly onto that dispersion layer. It just makes your life easier and it doesn't chip if you do that. So pop that in for a cure. And here we are with our cured matte top coat. Now, the pack that I'm using is my Sailor Moon pack. It does have circles with it. These, oh, I took those off the circles pack, but I do have a Sailor Moon pack that has like the circles, the fat chunky hearts, stars, like all the stuff you're gonna see me do. So we're gonna lay in some, and you know, I'll keep this video real time, but typically I would speed it up. We're gonna lay in some white and just do like some, I don't want to say planets, but we're gonna do some bubbles basically behind. I think I'll do actual Sailor Moon herself. The handpiece that I'm using is an Iwata, so I'm gonna let you watch and I'm gonna be quiet. So the stick on these stencils is great. This one has a lot of cuts in it, so technically it's a little bit more delicate. So I do handle it lightly. I always mask off my additional areas that I do not want to get paint on with another stencil or a salvage piece. And you see I was sticking to the nail really good, so I'm like, yeah, pretty happy with this. And I want you to notice on my handpiece, I'm doing like a little circular motion just to make sure I fill it without over spraying. And if you look really closely, you can see that I am not like flooding my stencil with paint, because that would be disastrous. Then I gently peel it off just because it's a lot of little pieces. So not really little pieces, but like little cuts and very thin lines, and I don't want to rip it. I'm also going to add some stars. These as well come from the stencil pack, and it's called Moon Girls, obviously, because I mean, yeah. And so these little stars come with it. I do a circular motion when I'm airbrushing these little stars, and I did white for all of this. Okay, so we'll do a gel base coat over the airbrush design. Why? Because it just keeps it from chipping, and you're gonna like get the nice big reveal. It looks really good. Here's our final look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments.